Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Florence local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a high-quality, value-driven mover in Florence, Arizona. Our team assists residential and commercial customers with their local and long-distance moves. When you are preparing for a long-distance move to or from Florence, Arizona, a quick internet inquiry about moving companies will result in many solicitations from both movers and brokers. Should you use the services of a broker in booking your move? Maybe, but first, you should ensure that you know what they do and what they don't do, and check that the broker you consider is appropriately licensed. All moving companies and brokers that work on interstate moves must register with FMCSA. That's the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, which oversees interstate moving companies. You can check their website to determine if a broker is registered, and check any movers you are considering as well. Keep in mind that brokers do not move anything. They arrange services on your behalf, usually creating an estimate based on your needs and finding a moving company to offer a reasonable price. Brokers can only offer you a quote for a mover with which they maintain a written agreement, but sometimes brokers have trouble finding a high-quality mover to accept the job. Make sure that either the broker or the mover does a visual survey of your household goods before they submit the estimate. This step is a requirement and helps protect you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Florence moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.